This tutorial shows how to make random numbers and an array of images. The aim of the program is to make the dice LEDs behave like a die when rolled onto a table. When you shake the lab bit, it shows one of 6 possible numbers at random. We start by creating a variable which will show a random number. Select the Assign module and give the variable the name Face. This will describe which face of the die shows on the LEDs. We set the module to create a random number from 1 to 6. Now we choose a gesture from the sensor menu so that we can detect when the microbit is shaken. Here is the gesture block. We choose the shaken option. Shaking the microbit will be the input event which tells the module to create the random number. So we drag a link from the When tab to the shaken block and select the Is Shaken condition. Notice how the program instruction now says what we want. We can give the module a label, then check how it works in run mode. Back to design mode, we now switch to the scene view and select the dice LEDs from the Outputs menu. We need another instruction module to control this. Drag a link from the Outputs tab to the LEDs. Then we select Image Array to create 6 images, one for each of the 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The collection of images is called an array. The index number will point to which image will show. The variable face is used as the index. Lastly, drag a line from Until to any empty space so that the display continues all the time. The program script is now complete and we can test how it works in run mode. Finally, we can send the program to the microbit.